What's going on, guys? I want to make a quick video showing you the very early design phases of a rough prototype I'm working on for a tool I'm designing. And when I say rough prototype, I definitely mean rough prototype. When this design does get finalized and goes to production, we'll be cut out on a water jet, so it'll be a lot cleaner, a lot more precise, and I'll definitely be doing a lot nicer finish than just this rough finish you see here. And, just to give you an idea what I was going for with the rough prototype, here's a CAD drawing I based it off of. Definitely a lot cleaner looking in concept, but I wanted to make a proof of concept piece just to make sure this tool functioned as I wanted it to. And I have noticed a couple of key issues I'm going to address in order to get the full functionality out of this like I had in mind. I'll talk about that in a moment, but in the meantime I just want to kind of give you an idea what I was thinking when I put this together. So what we have here is what I hope to be a very functional and useful tool. And I had a few key features in mind when I started to design this, and actually added a couple there as things kind of started going onto paper. So we'll just kind of go over those real quick. But you've probably already noticed a few key features right off the bat. One of them being the shape itself is an S-hook, and that's actually shaped that way for a couple of reasons. One, for ease of portability. I wanted a tool that you could easily either just slip right in your pocket, or more ideally hook onto your belt loop, zipper pull, maybe a loop of some kind on your backpack or your day pack. And I wanted something that was easily portable and could easily be unhooked as well. On the other hand, I also wanted some function, not just something that hooked to your loop in and of itself, but something that could also be used to carry gear as well. For instance, make a nice key carrier. Just hook that onto your belt loop and you're good to go. Or you could also hook, obviously, any other type of lanyard or gear with a key ring or other loop on it as well. So that's the first thing. I also wanted a small, light, medium duty pry bar. Maybe something that'd be good for pulling a heavy thumbtack out. Works very well for that. You could also use it to open lids on paint cans, maybe pop a tab on a soda can, etc. And you could also use it as a medium to large size slotted driver. And then you could also use it as a small slotted driver or even a number 2 Phillips. And depending on the material I decide to use on this, it'll probably be a light to medium duty driver as far as Phillips or slotted screws go. If I use titanium, obviously it'll be limited by the softness of the titanium, though I may use heavier duty tool steel as well. Another thing you have here is a 1/2 inch or a 9/16 inch imperial sized wrench. Also got 1/2 inch as well as 1/4 and 5/16. But one thing I have noticed as far as this current design, I don't think I have enough facets to grab a 5/16 or 1/4 inch nut or socket. Not only due to the shortness of the facets here, but also because of the open frame. It kind of wants to spring off there, as you may be able to see. So definitely be improving that somehow. I may even end up cutting them into the main body of the tool and just finishing these edges off as a bottle opener, which will be another feature. Unfortunately, don't have a bottle to show you, but you can kind of see how that could be used as a bottle opener. And then lastly, if I can do this with the phone in my hand, it's going to be used as a gear tie as well. Kind of double this over on itself. You're able to cinch up and then finish off accordingly. And this will be good for lashing your tent stakes, tying up a sleeping bag, hanging something out of a tree to keep it off the ground. But it's a nice quick release and a very secure gear tie. That comes out just as quickly as it goes in. So that's that, guys. Just wanted to show you real quick the very rough prototype, kind of to gauge interest, as well as to get some feedback. Like I said, I will be redesigning certain aspects of this to increase functionality. But for the most part, I think it's just about where I want it. So definitely appreciate the views, guys. Stay tuned for the updates. I hope to send some of these to the water jet, hopefully in the near future once I get things finalized. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you later.